Hey Brian, just checking in. I noticed you haven't done the assignments the last couple of days. Something going on? I can see when you log on, when you view the assignments, when you view the videos, and when you don't. Last week you did really well, you caught up on all your work, but this week you haven't been doing any of it. I know it's different, you don't like change, having to do everything online now, but the concept is still the same, Brian. You have to be doing your work. If the goal at the end is to end up getting you into the other classes out of mine, how are we going to do that if you're not working? Watch the videos. It's the same thing as when we'd read in class. We go over the character, setting, problem solutions. All that's important. You have to be able to see and know all those things when you're doing other work. And in math, you have to know how to tell time. How are you going to do that when you have to be at an appointment for your job interview at 8, but you look at the clock and you don't know what time it is because you don't know how to tell time? Or the recipes. We had Fun Food Fridays, so you know how to follow a recipe. So that assignment should be easy too. So what's going on? You have PE, you haven't been doing those assignments either. You can see those videos with your friends. Post something. Say hi to everybody. Call Mike, text Mike. Do what you have to do, but make sure you're working. Everybody's working. We're all trying to do this together, and I know it's different. I know. But tell me how I can help you. Tell me how we can help you. Do you need a laptop because you don't want to work on your phone? Or do you not have enough internet because your data's running out? We can help you with that, but you have to tell me. What is it that you need from us so that you can be successful? What is it that you need for us to do? Remember, we're all in this together. We're all here for you. Don't forget that. You're not alone. We're all on this new journey together, but we're on it together. Go outside sometimes, even if it's just sit outside on your porch on a chair, get some sun, kick the soccer ball around with your sisters. Enjoy the little things still. One day we'll go back to normal, we'll go back to our classes, but for now this is going to be our normal. If you prefer for us to do our assignments together, we can do that. Give me a time every day that you'll be online, whether it's 12 o'clock, whether it's 5 o'clock, whether it's 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night, in the morning. It doesn't matter. Let me know. And I can have this video conference with you. We can go through the reading together. We can go through the math together. I can read to you versus having to just watch recordings. Would that be better? We can do that, but you have to tell me what you need from me. You have to be on every single day. Come on. I know it's hard. I know it's different. I know you don't like doing it on your own, but you can do it. You're prepared for this. We've been working on all this all year. Little by little, you've been doing it more on your own, so you can do this by yourself. So believe you can, want to do it, and you will. But again, we are here. We can help you. But you have to come online. You have to tell us what you need from us. And you have to be doing your assignments. Everything will get back to normal eventually, right? It will. But for now, this is our normal. This is a change, but if you do it every single day and it becomes a routine, it will be your new normal. Log on every single day. Do your assignments. Leave messages. Doesn't only have to be in my class. You also have PE on there. Leave messages on there. Leave replies. We'll get through this, okay? Let me know if you need anything from us. I didn't post any new assignments today because I'm trying to give you a chance to catch up. Work on Monday's assignments and Tuesday's assignments. Today is your day to catch up. Tomorrow I'll post the assignments, and then Friday I'll post something new too. So catch up today. Work on something. Watch the videos, work on the assignments, log on to PE, post some videos of you exercising. Get involved, Brian. Okay? You got this. Alright. Bye now.